evening is not only a celebration of excellence in the public relations industry, but also a momentous milestone for our profession as we mark the 60th anniversary of Anvil Awards.
Anvil Awards is a great, wonderful recognition for upholding the highest standards and pursuits of this industry.
As we gather here tonight at the Anvil Awards, we embrace the spirit of renewal and prosperity, symbolized by the dragon dance earlier, hoping it ushers in a more auspicious year, not just for our industry, but for all of us here tonight. Tonight, we recognize the individuals and teams who exemplify this level of excellence.
The Anvil Awards has gone a long way since our PR gurus set it up 60 years ago to recognize outstanding PR campaigns. For 6 decades, it has set the highest standards, recognizing the best of what the PR industry has to offer. It is a testament to our collective efforts to elevate the craft towards excellence while navigating the challenges of our time and innovating ways that reflect our resilience and vision for the future.
As we honor tonight's winners, we are reminded that their recognition is a reflection of the impact they have on the communities and industries they serve. It is about creating meaningful change through well-crafted, thoughtful, and strategic PR campaigns. I congratulate all the winners this evening. Your success is a testament to your hard work, creativity, and passion for your craft. Let us continue to raise the bar, uphold the integrity of our profession, and inspire others to follow in our footsteps. Thank you, and may we all continue to make a lasting, positive impact through the power of public relations. Good evening and enjoy the rest of the night.